Us here today, and we're very pleased and honored to introduce you Sendwave. My name is Janice, and I am the global brand lead for Sendwave. So I flew from London to introduce you and bring you Sendwave today. Sendwave is an online money remittance app po. So online kami for OFWs. We empower them and champion them to focus on simplicity, ease, convenient, and syempre affordability. So, Sendwave focuses on no transfer fees. Wala pong transfer fees si Sendwave. That's our main one. So, in terms sa mga value na binibigay namin sa mga OFWs natin abroad, tinutulungan namin mas stretch yung perang pinapadala nila sa pamilya nila dito sa Philippines. So, yun po yung focus ni Sendwave. We cater sa mga OFWs natin sa US, Canada, UK, and parts of Europe. So, if you have overseas Filipino workers, family, and friends, tell them to download the app and try Sendwave. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for that, Ms. Jana.
Ganda no? Natatakot ako. Magandang araw po sa inyo. I am so happy to be here with you today at ikinararangal ko po maging parte ng Sendwave family, kagaya po ng sinabi ng ating mga bossing, ito pong Sendwave ay napakahalaga para sa ating mga OFWs. Alam naman natin, ang OFWs natin ay napakatagal na panahon na wala sa kanilang piling ng kanilang kapamilya, at syempre napakatagal na panahon na sila ay abroad, at syempre nagtatrabaho ng marangal, diba, nagsisipag. So syempre napakahalaga na yung kanilang ipapadala sa kanilang mga kamag-anak dito sa Pilipinas ay nakakarating na may seguridad, na madali lamang, simple, with simplicity, at higit sa lahat, abot kaya, murang-mura, it is affordable. Dahil kagaya ng sinabi nila, it is without transfer fees. So today, I'm honored to be part of your family. Thank you so much for the trust. And I am, and thank you for being here today. Maraming salamat po. At hindi ako si Ogie Diaz.
Yes.
Si Ogie Alcacid. Yes. Upo naman kami dito? Or?
Yes, thank you so much again, Mr. Ogie Alcacid. What's it about? What's something special about it?
Thank you very much for that very important question. Yes. No, alam nyo, ang values ng Sendwave at values ko rin, no, as a human being, as a father, as a husband, and as a career person, magkapareho. Napakahalaga talaga ng pamilya, di po ba? So ito ba, bakit ba tayo gumigising, di ba? Bakit ba tayo nagpapagod? Dahil para sa ating pamilya. Kaya nung nalaman ko na ang ginagawa ng Sendwave, pasensya na, may upo kasi ako, na minamabuti nila ng kanilang app, which is, na aming app rather, no, na mapadala ang pera from abroad to the Philippines with ease, no, at maraming paraan para gawain yun, no? Hindi lang iisa, maraming paraan through the app. Pwedeng dumaan sa bangko tulad sa Metrobank, pwedeng pick up, di ba? Parang si Boy pick up. Maraming paraan, and makakasiguro kayo makakarating, makakasiguro kayo na ito ay mura, di ba? Higit sa lahat. So, ang pagpapadala ng pera, hindi lang naman yan dahil obligasyon, di ba? Ito ay mahalaga dahil ito ay connection natin sa ating pamilya. Ako po, bilang singer, na kabuhayan, bukod sa aming pag-entertain dito sa Pilipinas, paggagawa ng concert, siyempre nag-concert ako sa ibang bansa, lalo na sa Middle East, sa Japan, sa North America, at kung saan-saan pa. At siyempre, ang nakakasalamuha ko talaga ay ang mga OFWs. And it's not that easy mag-market siyempre ng concert dahil siyempre yung iniipon nila, ipapadala nila. It just goes to show kung gaano ka-importante, di ba, ang iniipon nila. And yung meron kang sense of security na dumating ng sigurado, safe, and higit nga sa lahat, affordable ang iyong pinadala is, I think, very, very important.
Alright,
Ano
thank
pong
you.
score ko doon?
Yes, perfect po, of course. Thank you po, Sir Og. Any questions from the media? Sir Arniel, Sir Jojo, any questions po? Okay.
Ma'am, di ba yung mga first time magpadala, meron ba pinalagdagan yun ng $10?
Yes.
Something? Ay,
Yes
kwento
po.
ako.
Have you tried Sendwave before? Napaka-familiar
Nababasa
sa
ko siya,
inyo.
mga OFW.
That's good to hear. Yes po. Kapag po gumamit kayo ng Sendwave sa first transfer, nagbibigay po si Sendwave ng bonus. So normally, nagbibigay po kami ng $10 na additional na bonus sa ating mga OFWs kapag first time nilang ginamit ang Sendwave. So yes, as you said, kung familiar po kayo doon, that's another add-on, kumbaga benefit na binibigay ni Sendwave para matry ng mga kababayan natin yung app namin with parang additional na pandagdag nila sa padala sa mga kamag-anak sa Pilipinas. Bukod pa doon, wala na silang babayarang transfer fee, dinagdagan pa natin yung perang pinadala nila.
Ang ganda ng Sendwave.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Ms. Jan.
Ba't ba ako may tenda?
Ginagawa natin.
Any other questions po from our media friends? Yes, Sir Jojo.
So, Gina, nasubukan mo na, nagamit mo ng Sendwave. Anong
Hindi.
experience?
Hindi kasi alam nyo,
Galing sa
kailangan galing ka abroad.
From abroad to here.
Oo, ganun po ang...
Pero minsan nasa Australia ka.
Kakasign ko lang po kay... Papunta ko po doon, gagawin ko po.
Ayan.
Papadala po ako kay Regine ng pera. Di ba po, ma'am?
Yes.
Pero hindi sa Australia, sa ano tayo, sa North America.
US po.
Sa
US, Europe, soon po. Australia.
Buong mundo ba? Pwede ka from anywhere in the world to send?
Yes po. Particularly po pag galing Amerika, Canada, UK, Europe, yung marami po tayong overseas Filipino workers na nagpapadala, lalong-lalo na sa US. So yes, halos buong mundo po ang covered ng Sendwave.
Yes, Sir John.
Hi, I'm John Bueno from Kumakaw.
Hi, John.
Hi, sir. Well, my question is for you, ma'am. Kasi earlier, I tried to also create an account, but it didn't let me because of the phone number. Is that how you like restrict certain countries from accessing the app? And does one really need to become a member first before they could receive money from abroad, or just the ordinary bank accounts that they have? And is that sufficient?
So, si Sendwave po is not applicable sa mga receiver na tinatawag namin dito sa Philippines. Design po talaga siya sa mga overseas Filipino workers living abroad.
Okay.
So kung gusto po, kung may pamilya po kayo, halimbawa sa US, magda-download lang sila ng app, magre-register, pwede na po nilang gamitin yung debit or credit card nila. And once that's done, cashless po. Para lang sila nag-online shopping, within minutes, pwede na nilang ipadala sa bank account nila dito sa Philippines, pwedeng cash pick up, at pwede pong mobile wallet. So maraming options po to receive the money. Hindi nyo po kailangan maging member dito sa Pilipinas. Kung the way po siya design is convenient. Kumbaga, kayo magde-decide kung saan nyo gustong kunin ang pera, sasabihin nyo lang po yun sa kamag-anak nyo abroad kung paano nyo gustong ma-receive.
Okay. For the Philippines per se, I saw that there was a part where it says banks, and then there's a part where it says GCash. Is that the wallet partner?
Yes po.
that you have?
GCash po ang kapartner po ng Sendwave, so mobile wallets.
Okay. Aside from that, can you tell us also if there are restrictions as far as the value of the money is concerned? If the people from abroad are sending people to the Philippines, do they need to just have a certain amount?
Meron pong limit. So normally po naglilimit po yung, depende po kasi sa bangko nyo abroad. So kung pinapayagan po ng bangko nyo na maglabas kayo ng up to 30,000 pounds, pwede pong pounds or or dollars, pwede pong magpadala straight to your bank account here, or cash pick up here, or kung GCash naman po, may limit din po kasi ang GCash.
Yes.
So depende po sa regulations ng bangko at ng mga kapartner namin dito sa
Na
Philippines.
receiver.
Yes po.
Okay. Can you tell us also a ballpark figure of the number of people that are currently using the app?
Over 2 million users na po kami sa Sendwave.
Okay. So relatively, it's very popular already abroad.
Apo.
Sir Ogie has a lot of course, fans also in these countries that you're mentioning. I'm sure he's very popular already in the Philippines, but are you going to be taking Sir Ogie abroad also? Is that the plan that you have so that it'll be more?
Apo. Ayun po yung plano namin. As Sir Ogie Alcacid mentioned, regular na nilang ginagawa yun para mapasaya yung overseas Filipino workers natin abroad. Isa po yun sa mga future plans namin or part ng mga plano namin from this year until beyond.
Available po ako, ha? Siya nga pala yung manager ko, yung natatanong. Oo, medyo.
And sir, according to them, it looks like you'll be also traveling as part of your duties and responsibilities as their face for the app. Are you excited on what you can actually do
For sure.
with that opportunity?
Oo, I think the fact na marami tayong marireach na audiences. I mean, you already have 2 million, but I think what is our goal? 10 million, 20, di ba? The more people we reach, then the better, di ba? Mas marami tayong matutulungan. And so being part of whatever they have plans for me to go over there, I'm most welcome. Sa akin yan, no? Every opportunity for me to sing is always great. But every opportunity for me to be able to sing for our Filipino audiences abroad so that they can help their kababayans who are living here so much better, so much more, di ba? So yes, the answer is yes, most definitely.
Is that in the pipeline? Like, what activations are you gonna do? Is this gonna be like in a form of concert? Of course, he's a singer. What are the plans?
We are partners with TFC on it. So marami pong planong mga events na pupuntahan ng Sendwave at ang kapartner namin Global TFC and with Mr. Ogie Alcacid. So part po talaga siya ng mga plans namin, future plans namin.
Alright. Sir Ogie, this looks very big, no? Parang on...
It's very exciting. I think when I first learned that we would be doing this ad, I was really, really excited. Even the shoot itself was, how shall I say it? It was napakasaya nung set. Hindi siya madali gawin pero ang sarap-sarap gawin. And I'm excited to see it when they finally edited it. And I'm hoping you're happy with it. Because I was certainly, as an actor and as a performer, on screen, in front of the camera, I was so happy to do it. Commercials, as you know, are not that easy to do.
Yes.
But when you do it with fun, and when you do it with a group that is very excited, and with a crew that is doubly excited, ang sarap sa puso, ang sarap sa pakiramdam.
And pa lang po, sir, congratulations.
Oy, maraming salamat. And tell mukhang marami kang kamag-anak abroad.
A lot,
no?
actually.
Oo. I'm wondering if they have ever tried the app.
Not yet.
Yeah.
But
So now you can. Where are they from?
Dublin. In
Dublin,
Ireland.
Ireland. No? Meron ba tayo doon?
Yes.
Oh, yun. Dublin.
Soon, sir. Because I'm very limited right now with an app that I am currently using. That's kind of similar also, I think, with the function. But if the rates actually are bigger for Sendwave rather than using that particular app, I'll probably transfer to Sendwave. That's all.
Actually, may question ako, ma'am. So, halimbawa, nagpadala si kamag-anak niya ng, ano ba ang sa Dublin? Is it Euro?
Yeah, yeah.
Does that come into peso?
Yes.
It's converted.
Yes. Yes po, automatic po siyang mako-convert.
On the daily
And
rate.
you'll see, the good thing about our app, straight away po makikita nyo kung magkano yung exchange rate na pinapadala nyo at malinis pong makukuha nila yun. Kung ano po yung nakita nyo, that's the same amount na makukuha ng receiver nyo sa Philippines. So, wala na siyang additional or hidden fees na tinatawag. And as I said, no transfer fees po kami. Pero for transparency, kumikita po si Sendwave through FX rates kasi doon lang naman po yung exchange rate na iba-iba.
Okay.
But very competitive po ang exchange rate ng Sendwave.
So basically Forex, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir John, for those wonderful questions.
Oo, importante yung tanong.
Yes, and lots in store for Sendwave also with Sir Augie. It's great to know that you'll be able to bring a slice of home to our overseas Filipino workers. And so, any other questions from our media friends? Perhaps questions that you would have to, questions about the app, how to work it? Any other questions? All right, looks like we're all good. So thank you so much, Sir Augie, Ms. Janice, for that wonderful conversation and two wonderful
Thank you
questions
also.
from our media as well.
Thank you for your support.
Yes. And congratulations again, Sir Augie, for this wonderful partnership.
To all
So,
of us.
yes, of course. So, I'd like to turn back the floor after that wonderful conversation to Ms. Janice for some closing remarks, perhaps.
Yes, we're very excited to partner with Mr. Augie Alcacid. There's a lot of plans involved. Thank you to our partners with TFC for making this happen. And sobrang excited po kaming i-launch ulit ang Sendwave at ipakilala ang Sendwave sa inyo within partnership with Mr. Augie Alcacid. So, super excited po kaming lahat. And as I mentioned a while ago, sabihin po natin sa mga pamilya natin abroad, download Sendwave, try the app, kasi no transfer fees po kami, very affordable, at simple at madaling gamitin.
May $10 ka pa.
Thank you so much, Ms. Janice. That brings us actually to the end of today's very short and sweet event. So I'd like to thank the presence of all of our media friends, the Sendwave family, and of course, Sir Augie. Thank you so much again. So your support means the world to us, and we can't wait for you to spread the word on how Sendwave is changing the game for our overseas Filipino workers.